Welcome to this OpenText presentation about how hybrid workspaces can bring IT to your users anywhere and on any platform. We will be discussing the hybrid worker working remotely in different areas on different devices. We'll also combine other products installed within an organization's infrastructure to show the integration and versatility of hybrid workspaces, showing how the integration can leverage products like a help desk system, multi-factor authentication, local network shares, cloud storage providers, and device management systems. Let's get started. Here we are logged in at our remote home office on our Windows device, selecting an application link on our desktop to a containerized application built in Hybrid Workspaces Studio to run in our corporate private cloud. For this example, we are using Notepad++, but it can be any application in Hybrid Workspaces. Selecting the icon prompts for my organization's login with two form factor authentication. Once accepting the authentication on our phone, our private cloud will launch the application in an RDP session in our private cloud. This application can be configured to launch locally as well. Because this application is configured to our organization's cloud storage, you can see the T drive present when browsing for a file. We'll select DA script as our project. I'm going to work with this file, and when I save it, the file remains in the original location, saving time and keeping it securely in place. After working on our project, we need to do some research at a local library. Finding the information, we now need to make changes to the project document. The library had an old Mac, so I opened the browser on the old Mac to log into the Hybrid Workspaces portal. Again, it prompts me for my two form factor authentication. I then navigate to the workspace I'm looking for, in this case, Digital Air, which will have all my applications and resources. You can see all the applications associated to the Digital Air workspace. You can see files, and you can see the DA script I edited in Notepad++ earlier, and corporate links that are configured to this workspace as well. Before we edit the file with more information, notice the green dot, which means the RDP session is still open and we can see the statistics on the session running the application. By right-clicking on the icon, we can see different ways of running this application. We'll select Run in the Cloud to resume editing. Again, we see the file is open with the last edits, and we'll add some more details in the file and save. Now it's after hours, and maybe we're even at an event away from all computers. The boss calls and gives final details and needs to confirm numbers for tomorrow's meeting. I select the application icon distributed from my phone via our MDM system. This will ask for authentication into our private cloud. Again, once authenticated, I can continue to edit the details of the same project file from my smartphone, making edits and confirming numbers for our meeting, saving the project for tomorrow's meeting when I get to the office. The next morning, I'm at the office before my meeting, and I could see the file in my file or cloud storage, and it's been updated but I realize I don't have the application on my desktop or Start menu, or even on my computer at all. So I utilize my ZenWorks device management to open the ZenWorks Service Desk tools. And I must install the application to complete the project before my meeting. Selecting Notepad++ from the Help Desk store will initiate a service request to locally install the Hybrid Workspaces application. Looking at my Service Desk ticket for Notepad, you could see the status is pending but quickly goes to Closed Resolved because the application was configured to automatically install with all the licenses required, all within the Hybrid Workspace package. This results in the device management system assigning the application to my device. Now if I go back to our desktop, we'll see that Notepad++ appears and is installed once we select it for use. It downloads the Hybrid Workspace package or file and then opens the application. We can see the DA script is present and we can complete the project. Notice it is now installed on the device from our device management solution. So in summary, we have integrated Hybrid Workspaces with our existing environment that we've invested and secured to keep our workers working from anywhere on any platform. Some of those investments we showed Hybrid Workspaces leveraging are the two-form factor authentication, our help desk system, our device MDM management solution, and cloud storage providers. Hybrid Workspaces can tap into these and other investments to bring IT to your users, securing the data and providing resources to your users. Thank you for joining us on this Hybrid Workers Showcase.